Hello guys, welcome to our first podcast, Woman in Between. It's Nancy here,
Melinda, and I'm Aldila. Hello everyone.
and we're gonna talk something that hits deep about learning to accept ourselves.
Because let's be real, we often say I love myself, but sometimes itu cuma di mulut aja nggak sih guys? Deep down, we still compare ourselves with others. Yeah, it's true, especially on social media. Everyone looks perfect, tapi kayak bisa aja mereka punya struggle yang sama nggak sih sama kita?
Right, when I start to scroll terlalu lama, I start thinking, wow, everyone's traveling, glowing, saving, while I'm here eating noodles at 1 a.m.
Iya banget. Kadang aku ngerasa bangga aja bisa masak mie tanpa tumpah airnya. Small win, but still unwin.
That's growth, girls. So yeah, today we talk, laugh a bit, and maybe help each other to feel a little more okay with who we are. The first question is, so when was your last time feel like you couldn't accept yourself?
Probably when I start college, kayak pas aku masuk kuliah tuh kayak everyone looks so confident and knew what they want. Meanwhile aku tuh kayak ngerasa kayak aku tuh ngapain sih di sini, dan setiap aku open Instagram or TikTok, I felt worse, like why can I be like them gitu. Itu sih menurut aku. Aku juga pernah sih di fase itu. Dulu tuh sering banget merasa tertinggal. Semua orang udah ada tujuannya masing-masing, tapi aku masih bingung tujuanku mau kemana. But then I realized semua orang punya waktunya sendiri-sendiri sih.
Exactly. Sometimes we focus too much on what we don't have and we forgot what we already do. For me, kadang aku kayak keras sama diri aku sendiri sih. Like one mistake and I spiral. Now I try to be kinder, even if I still buy boba twice a day.
Emotional support boba ya. Tapi aku setuju sih, kadang tuh kalau beli boba atau makanan yang kita suka deh, kita jadi kayak ini gak sih, kayak mood kita tuh jadi bagus, hari kita tuh jadi ya a good day lah gitu.
Some people think self-acceptance means you stop improving. Like, ya udah sih, gue emang kayak gini. But that's not true, right?
Iya, nggak gitu sih. Buat aku, nerima diri sendiri itu bukan berarti berhenti berkembang, tapi sadar kalau kita punya kekurangan dan tetap sayang diri sendiri. Glow slowly but canly. Ya benar, but for me it's more about awareness. Sometimes kita tuh ngomong ya we're not perfect, tapi ya kita tetap deserve love and respect, ya kan?
Yeah, true. Kadang kita bisa gampang maafin orang lain, tapi kayak it's hard to maafin diri sendiri. We should be our own safe place too.
Exactly. Jadi menurut aku sih kita jangan terlalu keras sama diri sendiri ya. Kalau misalnya kita jatuh ya kita bangun lagi. Jadi kita jangan, gak usah terlalu buru-buru gitu sih menurut aku.
So, what helped you guys the most in learning to accept yourself?
For me, it's self-talk. Kayak I try to speak kindly to myself dibandingkan aku ngomong yang buruk gitu tentang diri aku. Kayak misalnya like you're failed, kamu gagal dan lain-lain. Aku lebih milih buat ngomong kayak you're doing your best, you tried, kayak simple word but it can change how I feel aja sih.
I like journaling. Kadang nulis hal kecil aja kayak hari ini lebih tenang dari kemarin. It feels good to see progress. Even the small progress tetap progress.
That's sweet. For me, gratitude helps. Whenever I feel down, I write 3 things I'm thankful for. Bisa kayak minum matcha pagi hari atau kayak teman yang dengerin curhat. It really helps me feel grounded again.
Gratitude is really works. It shift your focus from what missing to what's enough.
Yes, setuju banget. Kadang kita cuma perlu bilang thank you sama diri sendiri, karena itu bikin hati kita jadi lebih tenang.
So accepting yourself, it doesn't mean you love every part of yourself. It means you're brave enough to face yourself, even the messy side.
Yes, dan itu proses yang panjang. Kadang kamu bisa sayang diri kamu sendiri, kadang enggak, and that's okay. Yang penting kamu tetap berusaha.
Exactly. Take your time and you don't need to be perfect to be proud of yourself. And please laugh at yourself sometimes. It helps heal faster.
Be gentle aja sih sama diri kamu sendiri karena you're doing better than you think.
Beautifully said. Alright guys.
That's it for today, episode Woman in Between. Thank you so much for listening and don't forget to share with someone yang mungkin lagi butuh reminder tentang diri mereka sendiri ya guys.
And see you next time ya guys. Jangan lupa baik sama diri sendiri. Bye. Bye.
Sih, bunuh.